Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready. Confirm you have admin access and know your OS. Once done, open the command prompt or terminal now. On Windows, use Win+R, then type CMD. On Mac, use Spotlight and open Terminal. Navigate immediately to your project folder with CD followed by the path, because working in the right directory prevents file confusion. Make sure to use correct path syntax for your OS. You'll run commands from here, so keep this window visible and elevated if you need system-level changes. You'll run basic diagnostic and file commands next. First, list contents with dir on Windows or lsla on Mac/Linux to confirm location. Once done, create folders with mkdir and files with echo or a text editor. This lets you prepare test data. If you're using version control, run git status to see changes. For network checks, use ping or ipconfig/ifconfig. Make sure to read command output. Errors tell you what to fix before moving forward, so respond to them. You're at the final steps. Execute your script or command, for example, Python script. Pi or \script, bad on Windows. If a process runs long, stop with Ctrl+C. When done, type exit to close the shell cleanly. Make sure to verify results in the working directory or application logs. If something fails, check 3 common issues: path environment variables, file/folder permissions, and simple typos. These fix most problems. If an error persists, copy the exact message and use it to search targeted solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.